In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofile CC's emails with new Outlook rules. By the end, your inbox will stay focused on messages sent directly to you, while anything you're copied on is neatly filed where it belongs. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in the new Outlook on the web. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. This opens Settings, which is where Outlook keeps all the tools we need. In the Settings panel, choose Mail to view the mail-related options. From there, select Rules. Rules let Outlook handle messages automatically the moment they arrive, which is perfect for keeping CC emails out of your main inbox. Click Add New Rule to create a fresh rule. Give it a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later. Something like Auto CC works great. Now we'll define what triggers the rule. Click Add a condition and choose I'm on the CC line. This condition tells Outlook to watch for any message where your address is placed in the CC field instead of the To field. It's the simplest way to separate FYI messages from the ones that usually require your direct attention. Next, add what you want Outlook to do when that condition is met. Click Add an action and choose Move To. This action automatically moves those CC'd messages out of your inbox. When the folder selector appears, pick the folder where you want these messages to land. Choose a folder you check regularly so you won't miss anything important. If you already have a folder dedicated to CCs or low-priority mail, select that. If not, pick an existing folder that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've set the condition and the move action, click Save. That's it. The rule is now active. From now on, any incoming email that lists you on the CC line will be moved to the folder you selected, keeping your inbox focused on direct conversations. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Rules run in the order they appear. So, if you have other rules, make sure this one isn't being overridden by a rule above it. Also, rules apply to new messages going forward, so existing emails won't be moved automatically. With that, you've successfully set up an Outlook rule to autofile CC'd emails. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox and a smoother daily email routine.